Hey everybody, what's going on? Sean here, and I want to do a follow-up video on the video that I created and posted yesterday. And I'm going to pull this up here and look at it while I'm talking. It's a rock solid terms and conditions in 5 minutes. It's free. All right, you can check that video up there and check it out if you'd like. But here's the deal. I was thinking about this after I did the video. I'm like, so is it in 5 minutes? How much time would it really take? All right. And so I thought, let me do a follow-up video and just see just how much time it does take to use this new AI prompt that we've got as part of the Zero to Income Toolbox. And let's just test it out and have some fun with this, right? So I have a feeling it's going to be less than 5 minutes. I have a feeling it's going to probably be less than 2 minutes. But we'll see, right? Let's check this out. All right, let's go over and check it out. So we're on the page. I want to scroll down to our terms and condition policy prompt. All right. So I've got my phone. I got my timer set. We're going to use the timer. Are we ready? How much time do you think it's going to take? I'm thinking it's going to be like a minute and a half. Let's see though. Start. Copy prompt. Okay. ChatGPT. Not going to worry about logging in. Going to paste the prompt in. And here it wants to have all of the information. What's your company information? All right. We're going to stick with Tech Gremlin Warrior. That's my site that I use kind of for all my videos. Tech Gremlin Warrior. Site URL. HTTPS www.techgremlinwarrior.com. Email address hello@techgremlinwarrior.com. Payment processor Stripe. State spelled out New York. I'm doing a fictitious stuff here. I really don't live in New York. County. You'll see why here in a minute. Kings County. State abbreviation. NY. Full address. And this is why everything's fictitious. If any of you are into comics, you might know this address. And we don't need Kings County here. I should probably update that and take that out, but that's okay. It's fine if you do leave it in. New York. And one more thing, just because I want to be fair, service and products. Yep, those are all our service and products. You would edit that if you needed to edit those. Boom. It was a minute and 45 seconds. It took us a minute and 45 seconds to create that terms and conditions policy. How cool is that? All right, so let's look at this. I mean, it has 24 sections now. And if you scroll all the way down, we have all of the most important things: an affiliate disclaimer. We have a limitation of liability clause. We have a governing law clause. I mean, everything is there that you could possibly need. Age clause, making sure that anybody that's going to be using your stuff is over 18. It covers it all. I mean, I'm sure there's probably more robust terms and conditions policies that are out there, but this is pretty darn solid, and it's free. All right. So again, we're not attorneys here at Zero to Income, but this is going to give you something that you can at least get started with. And if you really wanted to have one that is done by an attorney, you could at least take this now to an attorney, save them some time, and just say, hey, can you review this and make sure I'm not missing anything? Right. Anyway, I just really wanted to do this test to see just how long it would take, and it was a minute and 45 seconds. How cool is that? Thanks for watching, everybody.